These POV cycling videos are becoming extremely viral right now. One Instagram page has already grown to more than 2.2 million followers, and almost every upload gets hundreds of thousands of views. In fact, some of their videos have passed 24 million views. There's another page using the exact same content style. They already have more than 500,000 followers, and most of their videos easily cross 100,000 views. One of their uploads even exploded to more than 100 million views, which is honestly unbelievable. The reason these videos perform so well is because they have everything short-form platforms love right now: fast movement, immersive first-person camera angles, smooth scene changes, and highly engaging visuals that instantly grab attention. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral POV cycling videos yourself in less than 5 minutes using AI tools. Before we begin, make sure to join my free Discord community. Inside the server, I've shared every prompt used in this tutorial, so you can simply copy and paste everything step by step without any confusion. Now, copy the first prompt from the Discord server and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt is designed to generate 10 different POV video ideas for you. Next, copy the second prompt and paste it into ChatGPT again. This time, the AI will ask you to choose one of the video ideas from the list. You can also type your own custom idea if you want something more unique. For this example, I'm going to copy one of the ideas from the list and paste it here. Once you do that, ChatGPT will automatically generate two important things for you: an image prompt and a video animation prompt. And honestly, this is where most of the hard work gets done. Good prompts are extremely important because they control the quality, style, camera movement, lighting, emotion, and overall cinematic feeling of your final video. Even a small change in the prompt can completely change how professional the final result looks. Now that our prompts are ready, it's time to create the visuals. For this part, I personally use Vidu AI because it creates very high-quality results and includes almost the entire AI video workflow in one place, instead of switching between multiple websites for characters, animation, sound effects, and video editing. Vidu lets you handle most of the process inside one platform, which makes content creation much faster and easier for beginners. Once you open Vidu AI, go to the Images section and select Text to Image. Now copy the image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Next, choose your image model. Personally, I use the Nano Banana Pro model because, right now, it creates some of the best cinematic results for POV-style videos. After that, choose your resolution, aspect ratio, and the number of images you want to generate. Then click Create. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate high-quality POV images in the exact style we want. Once your image is ready, you can download it without the watermark, but we need to animate the image. So, hover over here and select Image to Video. This will automatically place your image inside the video generator. After that, copy the video animation prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Then choose your video duration. I usually keep mine around 13 seconds because short-form videos perform better when they stay fast and engaging. If the clip becomes too long, viewers may scroll away before the video ends. For the video model, I use Vidu Q3, which is currently one of the best models available. This model is especially good for high-speed action scenes, smooth cinematic camera movement, and expressive storytelling. It also supports multi-shot continuity, which helps keep the visuals feeling connected naturally from one scene to the next. Now, select your resolution and the number of videos you want to generate, then click Create. And just like that, within a few seconds, your viral-style POV video is ready. As you can see, the final result looks amazing. The motion feels smooth, the camera movement looks realistic, and the entire scene feels cinematic, even though it was created almost completely with AI. And honestly, the best part is how simple this whole process really is. Here are some other videos I created using this exact same method. You can also improve your videos by generating multiple versions of the same idea and testing different hooks, endings, or camera movements. Sometimes, a very small change can massively improve watch time and viewer retention. Now, all you need to do is upload these videos consistently on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and TikTok. Right now, short-form AI content is growing very quickly, and many creators are already making money through the YouTube Partner Program, Facebook content monetization, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and faceless content pages. However, there's one important thing you need to remember. Uploading random videos is not enough. The creators who grow the fastest are the ones who stay consistent, test different ideas, and improve their prompts over time. So, treat every upload like an experiment. Pay attention to what gets views, what keeps people watching, and what makes viewers stop scrolling. Usually, the best performing videos have strong emotional hooks, visually active scenes, fast pacing, and satisfying endings that make viewers want to watch again. Also, if you're interested in Vidu AI, you can get their paid plan for around $8 per month, which is honestly very affordable for everything they offer. Besides POV videos, the platform also includes many other useful tools for content creation, storytelling, social media projects, anime-style videos, cinematic shorts, and everyday creative work. I've shared the link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.